it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Mr. Beast's logo. It's gonna be a little bit more, I would say, like, you know, realistic. We're gonna try to make it realistic, and let's get started, okay? Very simple tutorial. So first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go in here and draw out the eye with a small curve, pulling in like kind of a Pac-Man symbol. Looks like a little pizza there, right? Line up, and we're gonna go right off the bat and start drawing that lightning bolt. Line out, in, line out. Gonna go over here, line in, out, and connect those lines right there. You have that zigzag. Over here, top of the head, back. Curve right there for the top of that. I think it's like a tiger, right? I'm not sure. Tiger snout. It's obviously like a big cat. Out over here for the front. Pulling downward, curve up. Line, line. Gonna go over here, pulling in, curve down for the front of the nose. And I'm gonna fill in that part of the nose right there. Just kind of fill it in. Line over here, down, curve underneath, up, up, down over here, up, down over here, up. Over here on this side, zigzag, down over here for the tongue. Lip right there at the bottom, curve over here for the other side of the lip, line downward, pull back, zigzag just a bit for underneath the chin there, line up. Over here, zigzag, curve, line out, down. I'm gonna draw the inside of the ear by drawing a line over here, line in. It's almost like a T shape, like an upside down T. Over here. Zigzag underneath. And that's most of it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into some details. Maybe a line right here for the eye. Curve, curve for kind of the furrowing of that brow, right? He's gonna be like, kind of angry. Line over here, curve. The rest of him is gonna be like detail oriented. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line in the back, which this logo doesn't have, and I'm gonna fill this in because I want it to have a little bit of dimension, right? So you're gonna see the far side of his mouth. So I very much want to make that clear. Down over here, up. Curve, curve, line around the nose here. Line over there on the side. Line, line, line. Gonna throw a little bit of a line underneath. Sorry, I didn't say that. And it's gonna be like a shadow underneath the neck, because I want it to have like a little bit of gravitas, a little bit of weight. Same thing over here on the edge of the mouth. Right here, same thing as well, kind of the folding of that mouth. Curve, curve, curve. Down. Fill it in. Again, throwing a little more. I'm trying to draw thinner lines around the eyes because when he's squinting down, he's like, you know, you want to kind of make him look like actually angry, right? Like, and a lot of that's going to come from thinner lines, which come off as detail when you do thinner lines. By the way, don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw in general, like you want to learn how to draw anything, like and you're a beginner and you don't really know where to go, where to start, go to sketchingeasy.com. and absolutely click the dragon, okay? When you click that dragon, it's gonna have a beginner lesson, very, very beginner lesson. And I'm gonna draw a little bit of thicker line right here underneath this, by the way. So drawing in general has two different parts. One is to the actual physical drawing part, right? Like moving your hand, controlling your hand in a new way that you normally don't do it when, when you're writing and drawing. When you're writing is a different motion than when you're drawing. And there's that. And then there's the, knowing what to draw, the knowledge part of it as well. So I go over half of that stuff for you. I go over the kind of moving your hand part. And I go over why that's important and why it's so easy to get that done easily. People spend years. So I'm gonna draw a little line right here on the tongue. People spent years with shaky lines, wiggly lines. In that lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to get over that like pretty much immediately. Like you just gotta do these exercises for a couple weeks and you're gonna get over the shaky hand thing almost entirely. But some people do it for years because they don't know what to do. So go check out those lessons. They're 100% free, no sign up, nothing. They're just there. They're literally linked kind of like YouTube video stuff that I just put out there to help people out, So yeah, go check that out when you can. sketchingeasy.com, and then right on the front page, click the dragon and you're gonna get those lessons. So right here with him, I'm gonna draw the whiskers right here, so thin. I'm trying to make them really thin because we're gonna be crossing over lines, right? So I'm gonna try to keep that as thin as I can, because if there's too thick, it's just gonna get weird. It's just gonna get way too odd. Line underneath here, line underneath here, line underneath here, line underneath here. Curve. Line, line, line. And I'm drawing little lines around here, again, because he's furry, right? So I'm drawing thin lines, just thin lines every now and then, just to kind of give it a little bit more fur, a little bit more detail, and that's kind of what I'm after. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way. Liking is amazing. It helps the whole channel out, helps me know what to put more stuff on here, and lets me know that I'm like really making an effect. And I really think that you guys are amazing for watching this far. No one watches this far into any YouTube video in general, right? Nobody watches past like a few seconds in a regular YouTube video. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. Say hi to me in the comment section, and I'll say hi to every single person I'll reply to every single comment that people, post. See you later. Talk to you soon, and I'll see you tomorrow or later today.